Let's unbox and review the CW905 wireless gaming mouse from Onikuma. So gusto ko yung packaging ng Onikuma. Kita mo yung product name and yung logo. Sa likod, makikita mo naman dito yung specs niya. Unbox na natin siya. Inside the box meron siyang USB to Type-C, user's manual, at syempre, yung mouse. About sa appearance nitong mouse, makinis tong part na to. Tapos logo dito ni Onikuma. May 7 buttons din siya, plus andito yung on-off switch and USB dongle. If gusto mo naman i-turn on yung RGB effect niya, i-switch mo lang dito. Sa weight nitong mouse, around 170 grams yung nakalagay sa box. At kung itatanong mo kung comfortable ba, yes, for its price, napakasulit na nito. Sa specs naman, meron siyang 5 default DPI na pwede mong i-adjust during your game. Supported din ito from XP to Windows 11. And if Mac user ka, compatible naman siya. Up to 23 hours to pag naka-on yung RGB lights and 48 hours naman pag naka-off. So charging time, 1 hour or maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes to fully charge. May battery indicator naman so malalaman mo pag fully charged na. Sa distance, 10 meter yung maximum range niya. After using this, ito yung review ko. Comfortable siya gamitin, responsive and accurate naman, walang kahit anong delay, mabilis makapag-adjust ng DPI, working siya while charging, but need pa din naka-insert yung dongle. Meron siyang 7 different lighting mode, mahirap nga lang i-click yung side buttons or baka hindi lang ako sanay sa gantong type ng mouse. Yung scroll wheel, feel mo yung gaan pero good pa rin naman. I mean, hindi lang siya same ng other mouse pero okay pa rin naman. And lastly, hindi working yung software niya so hindi programmable yung buttons. Overall naman, for its price, good na to. Check nyo na lang yung link below and palike and subscribe naman po. Yun lang and thank you.